It's the biggest snowstorm of the season so far.
Peak snowfall could be 3 to 5 centimeters an hour.
Oh, the weather outside is frightful, but the fire is so delightful. And since we've no place to go, let it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin', ice cream, chillin', chillin'.
Dairy Queen used some recent weather to remind Canadians that DQ blizzards are the ultimate frozen treat. So using some snowbanks around Canada, they installed some 7-foot DQ red spoons and giant Smarties. The spoons have QR codes on them, and if you scan them, you get entered into a chance to win DQ blizzards for a year.